Hey guys, welcome to ChandraAwesome. Well, it's been a week we haven't get any new videos. Well, in this video I will make sure we'll cover that gap with these new tools. Okay? So we already seen that how to design our gears with the gear lab and spur gear FeatureScript and everything. Well, but we have forgotten one thing that is called rack and pinion gear. Yes, so as you've seen on the screen, this is called the rack, which is designed from the same feature script that exactly works and smoother and helpful for you to design your rack and pinion mechanisms. Okay, as you see on the screen. So, this rack is in one, and these both are not a single feature script. These are two feature scripts. Okay, so I'm going to show you how does to work with the rack and pinion. So it makes your work faster. Okay, let me hide these all parts. Okay, and hide the other sketches as well. Okay, let's hide this okay. Now it's simple to do that. Just simply go to our platform as usual and search for rack. You can find the rack and pinion tools which are available right here. We have two tools where you can use it based on your interest. So both generations are same, but the UI navigation only difference. But if you want to work with it or play or test it, you can do that. Okay, it's very simple. Just simply once you install the tool, just like simple, click on the tool and it will take you to the feature script and simply click on custom features and it will be added once you show this highlighting blue color label. Okay, so let's see how does it works. The search tools, just simply search for rack and we have rack, the exact tool. So it's asking rack to start, which means we need a point from where the rack and pinion, sorry, not the pinion gear, only rack, start to generate. So let's switch to the isometric view we need. Okay, now I'm going to choose a point. Well, as you can see, it is showing the uh, axis using mate connector. Just simply click on it. So it follows the, okay, it's following the mhm, x direction. Okay, so or else if you want, you can simply click on this reorientation, secondary axis reorientation. So you can simply get on which one you want. Okay, or else you can play with that mate connector and rotate it. Right now I wanted to rotate around y-axis and keep it 90 degrees. And there you go, we got it. Okay, that's simple. Now here you can play with the values. For example, the depth is 5 mm. I don't need to 5 mm, just keep it. Okay, let's keep it to let's 8 mm. So which means it increase the thickness and you can maintain the symmetric as well to the plane axis. And currently this number of teeth is 10, and let's keep it 20, so the length also will increase. And here the module, the gear module where you play, I'm currently want to keep 4 mm module, and there you go, everything got set. Okay, this is the pressure angle and the base thickness is currently 5 mm, that is enough. And here you can see the pitch line start, root position, or base position. So if you know how does the rack and pinion designs, you will get to know about these actual terms. Okay, simply it's just change the position. Okay, well, if let's keep it centric, which means just like a linear pattern, how does it works? It generates in the both left and right hand side as well. So here you can mm, not only spur gear treat, you can also keep it helical if you want. Let's keep it 60 degree, 30 degrees, sorry. And if you want double helical, you can also keep that. Currently merge with scope means if you want to merge with any extra part, you can do that. So currently the thickness is not satisfying for me. So I'm going to keep the 15 mm. And yeah, now that is good. And we have the other profile assets as well. So this is how the rack tool works. This is the rack. There are two racks we have. Okay, this is the rack one. Let's go with another rack tool, that is per rack. So let's hide this. Let's choose SPUR and per rack. Got it. And let's hide this. So it currently follows the X direction only. We don't have the orientation setting for this, but if you want, you can apply the transform tool and change the position if you want later. Okay, so let's keep it same. It is current module 0.07. Let's keep it 1 inch. Okay, it's too much. That's 0.5. Okay, that's fine. And the pressure angle and axis thickness, let's keep it 50 mm. So the thickness will increase. Okay, let's keep it 0.3. Okay, it is, oh, currently I set full root. I'm going to keep 1.4. Okay, and if you want to camber the teeth, you can also apply that. If you want helical or double helical, you can keep the same as just like the previous one, where we have the extra parts are getting generated, uh, or else the extra material, you can say that. If you want to remove it, you can remove manually. Okay, so you can simply save it, and there we go. We got the exact one. So if you want to add the pinion gear, rack and pinion gear, like for this rack, you can simply use the spur gear tool, which we have already used. Okay, and apply the same module. For example, currently we kept the, okay, I don't, forgot. I think, for example, let's see the values of spur rack. Okay, 0.3 module and helic angle is 30 degrees. Okay, just simply select spur gear, keep 0.3 module, and keep the thickness to 1, and keep it helical, and keep the angle 30 degrees just like this, and keep double helical as well. So this is, but I think the thickness is not much good, right? Let's keep it to 1.5. Okay, this is satisfying. The currently number of teeth is 25. Let's keep it 20. Okay, and save it. Now, in order to position it, you can simply use try transform, which we already made a video. It's a transform tool that helps you to move the part within one go. Even rotate and move it. You can simply rotate to 90 degrees. Just like how you move in assembly, you can do the same type of movement here. Okay, so everything is set. Now we just need to rotate it. Let's rotate a bit out. Okay, we can also see the rotation angle. Okay, and save it. and we got the setup. So you can simply use this for your designs. So this is what is called, this is the available rack custom features available in Onshape. Okay, I'm sorry for repeating the words continuously. So this is how does it works. So you can, I will give the links in the description, so you can simply go it and install the features and work with it. Okay, so that's all for video, and I'll come up with a new video with that for surfacing design. Okay, you will definitely like that tool, I promise you for that. So if you like the content, if you like these tools, and if you want to have any new tools, please let me know in the comment box and your uh, thought about this tool. Okay, and thanks for watching. If you do like, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, and your support always motivates me. Thank you and have a nice day.